Kumusta guys? Ngayong araw, samahan niyo ako mag-react dito sa pinakabagong cover song ng bandang Franz Rhythm guys. Pero dito guys, solo lang si Tatay Franz. Kakantay niya yung kanta ng The Beatles, yung Yesterday, Paul McCartney. Ayan, tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda yung pagkaka-cover ni Tatay Franz dito.
Hey. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay.
Ang husay din ni Tatay Franz talaga, no, sa acoustic. Talaga may pinagmanaan si Chen. Galing.
Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh yes.
Ganda ng gitara ni Tatay Franz. May nakakalam ba sa inyo guys kung ano yung brand nitong acoustic guitar ni Tatay Franz? I-comment nyo lang sa ating comment section sa mga nakakalam dyan.
Yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't stay. I said,
Medyo busy yata ngayon sila Char at Chen. Dudes sa school. Kaya solo muna si Tatay Franz sa paggawa ng kino-cover dito sa YouTube.
something wrong now, I long for yesterday. Yesterday, love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away.
Ang linis ng tunog ng acoustic ni Tatay Franz. Galing.
Oh, I believe
Natural na natural ang
in
tunog.
yesterday. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong, now I long.
Galing niya mag-plucking. Napaka-accurate ng kanyang plucking. Ang linis.
For yesterday, yesterday, love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday.
Ito yung mga kantang ang sarap ang patulog. Kanta ng The Beatles. Grabe, napakaswabe naman nun. Lupit talaga ni Tatay Franz. Ayan guys, isang malupit na naman na cover song ating napanood mula kay Tatay Franz ng bandang Franz Rhythm. Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nilang i-upload. At ganun din sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.